Hi, and welcome to Learning Python, Start to Finish. In this series, you will learn the essentials of Python programming, so you can begin learning more advanced Python concepts and frameworks. The first thing you will need to do is install Python to your computer. If you have a Mac, it should already be installed for you. However, if you have a Windows computer and Python is not already installed, open your web browser and go to www.python.org. Click on Downloads and press this button to install Python for your specific operating system. After the download is complete, perform the installation. I recommend using default settings. Make sure that you have selected this checkbox right here so Python will be added to your path variable, which is simply put the name that will reference Python source files in the terminal. After you have finished, go to the command prompt if you are on Windows or terminal if you're on Mac, and type in Python. If you see this message, you have successfully installed Python and opened the Python console. Now that you have Python installed, we can begin programming. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.